Now, there are three rules that you got to follow when doing electron configurations. The first is the Aufbau Principle. Let's talk about that for this video. Now, the Aufbau Principle says that when we're doing electron configurations, we always fill up energy levels from the lowest energy level to the highest energy level. Okay? Think of it like I'm going up the stairs. Okay, let's say I have 10 stairs to go up. It's not like I'm going to go jump straight to the 5th stair, then shimmy down back to the 3rd stair, and then do a double flip up to the 7th stair, and then walk my way up to the 10th stair. No, that's too much energy intensive activity, which is not for me. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 because that's the easiest way, right? I don't want to spend all that energy going up and down, up and down, up and down when I can just go straight up. In the same way, that's how electrons like to act too. It's not like they're going to jump straight to the 7p orbital to fill up their first electron. They're going to start off with the 1s orbital because that has the least amount of energy. So say with me now, when we're doing this, we're going to start with the 1s, then we're going to go to the 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, and then you might think it's 4p, but no. It's 3D. Now, why is it 3D after 4s? Shouldn't it be next 4p because, we're in the 4th energy level? Well, you also have to realize it's not just about the principal quantum number, n, it's also about which sublevel are we in. In any given energy level, whether that be n equals 1, n equals 2, n equals 3, the order for the sublevel is always going to be SPDF. I like to memorize that using a mnemonic. Spotify, Spotify. And so you might be asking me, so then why is the 3D energy level having more energy than the 4s energy level, even though we have a higher principal quantum number? Well, if you think about it, since the d orbital is higher in energy than the s orbital, since that d orbital is attached to the 3rd energy level rather than the 4th, that d energy level, that d sublevel more than enough compensates for that difference between the principal quantum number. And there's an easy way that you can use to understand that. It's the n plus L rule. You may or may not know this, but the number assigned to the SPDF is 0, 1, 2, 3 respectively. So what you do is you add up the principal quantum number and the angular momentum quantum number for any given orbital. So 4s would be 4 plus 0 because s is 0, so 4 plus 0 is 4. But then take 3d. 3 is 3, d is a 2, so 3 plus 2 is 5. We got a 5, not a 4. So therefore, the 4 will fill up first and then 5. 4p is a 4 plus a 2, which makes a 6. So it'll fill up after the 3d, which is a 5. So 4, 5, 6. You see that?